Tonight, I have to perform a hat trick.
Yeah.
And it's a very simple trick. It uses three objects. It uses three dice, a hat, and it uses a magic wand. Now, the dice will stay here on the table by Penn. The hat will stay over here on the table by Teller, and the wand is going to stay in my hand. And if you watch the three dice, I'll take them one at a time. Die number one. I take it in the hand, I give it a tap, and it disappears and travels through the air, across the table, over by Teller, under the hat. Now that's the first time. I'll do it again. See, if you watch die number two, and Penn, if you watch very carefully, I'm going to place it in my hand. I'll ask you a question. You can be honest. You're not going to hurt my feelings. Do you think it's still there? Do you think it's gone already?
I think it's in the hand.
You're right. I didn't do anything yet. But this is die number two, which means I have to tap it twice. And then it disappears, travels through the air, across the table, over by Teller, under the hat. Now, I'll do it one more time, but this time, Teller, I'm going to reveal part of the secret to the trick. Not the whole secret, just part of the secret. You see, when I pick up the die and I place it in my hand, it only stays here for a few seconds. And when I tap it, I don't just tap it. I give it what we call in the trade a tap and take. You're familiar with that, of course. It's something magicians use all the time. You see, I tap and take it at the same time. Now, let me explain. When I did this the first few times, you didn't see it because my hands were moving so fast, even if you watch this in slow motion video, you wouldn't see the tap and take done at fast speed. But watch what happens when I slow down the process. You can see the tap and the take separated by about half a second. I take it from here over to here. I pretend to place it in my pocket, but of course, in reality, I'm going to take this die and I'm going to flick it under the hat, and it looks like it was there all the while. Now, we'll do it one last time, though. You see, if I take two in the hand, one in the pocket. Penn, how many in the hand?
Two.
But if I give it a tap, there's 1, 2, 3. I'll do it again. Here, Teller, so you can see. Two in the hand, one stays in the pocket. Yeah, but if I give it a tap, now there's 1, 2, and 3. Penn, Teller, this is your last chance to see how they get from the pocket to the hand. Slow motion. That's 1, that's 2. This one stays in the pocket. And Penn, if you watch very closely, take a guess. Where do you think the dice are?
Under the hat.
The hat. You know, those three dice have combined under the hat to form, let me check. Yep, the big one. Hey, but I know where this one comes from. And I know where this one comes from. But you know what I can't figure out? Where in the world did that one come from? Thank you. Hey, I don't know if these two surprised you, but I'm kind of hoping this one will. Because we're in Las Vegas. And in Las Vegas, dice always come in pairs. Hey, Penn, Teller, I just produced 3 jumbo dice, but that's not the hat trick I promised. This is the hat trick. And Penn, you get the hat. Teller, you get the die. And I thank you very much.
Thank you.